The Open Professional Skills Championship of the North Caucasus WorldSkills Russia 2014, which took place in North Ossetia, completed. During 4 days, 200 students from 40 regions of the Russian Federation, as well as foreign countries, demonstrated their skills. The winners were announced at the closing ceremony. Sergei Takoev congratulated the participants and handed out awards to the winners.
There are no bad professions. No matter what sphere of work the person has chosen, he should be the best in it. It is always appreciated and respected. The last year was a boom when students were becoming economists and lawyers. And now they are sitting without work, but there is a turn for good welder or tiler.
The rewarding ceremony included a concert program. Students of the Ardan Argo Technology College performed national dances, sang different songs. Representatives of Finland, Germany and Latvia were among the participants. The contest members competed in 19 categories, such as constructing, design, haircutting, bricklaying, etc. Sauce Haras from Latvia took first place in cooking.
It is the very first time I participate in such a competition. It was very interesting for me. People here in Caucasus are very kind. Everything was different. Products, technology. It was hard for me to combine all this.
The chief of the government separately mentioned the LA Towers of Friendship, dedicated to North Caucasian republics. The winners of WorldSkills Russia will participate in next year's championship in France. Sabina Alborova, Evgeny Markin, Elena Gagloeva, Ossetia TV.